Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all screen lock methods available on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's open the settings, then let's scroll down and let's go to lock screen and AOD. And over here we need to tap on screen lock in order to open the settings, the screen lock type. And here we will find four default or standard screen lock types. The first one is pin code, which is the one that you just saw. The second one is password, where we can enter at least 4 characters. So let's say I'm gonna set up the very easy one. There we go. Then let's confirm it one more time. And this is how it looks like. We can delete previous pin. And there we go. Another one that we can set is the pattern, where you can draw your pattern. So let's say I'm gonna draw something like this. Just continue one more time, confirm, and there we go. We have a new pattern. And finally, last but not least, we also have swipe, which is very easy and it's not secure at all, because everyone can swipe on the lock screen. But in addition to that, we can also set up biometrics like the face recognition and the fingerprint sensor. So you can tap on the slider on the right side in order to start configuring one of these two. However, in order to use them, we have to have the screen lock enabled, so we cannot set none over here. And these are alternatives to those four. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.